Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on ACM token. In today's analysis, I would like to show you my recent trade setup that I shared with my members at the Patreon, and we will also take a look at a certain down trend line resistance level that ACM is not able to break out for the long time period, and we will also take a look at some important key support and resistance levels as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my recent trade setup that I shared with my members on 22nd of June, when ACM completed a harmonic bullish reversal guardlay move with Bitcoin pair. And this was, by the way, our buying zone that was starting from $2.85 and goes to $2.03. And our sell targets were from $4.01 and goes to $5.24. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line pumped very well. We had a move up to $7.50. That was, by the way, more than 160% pump. And by the way, before this, ACM also formed another harmonic bullish reversal guardlay move that I shared with my members at the Patreon in the month of August 2021. And you can see this pattern was, by the way, formed with Bitcoin pair. And if we play this chart, then you can observe that the price line moved up, and after hitting the sell target here up to 0.002345, after this pump, the price line again moved down. Now let's take a look at the live weekly time frame chart. Then this was the downtrend line. You can see that after several attempts, we are not so far able to break out this resistance of the downtrend line resistance, and we also have found a support here as well, and it is quite, by the way, wide channel. You can see that every time it is moving, whenever it is getting rejected by the resistance, it is moving down to the support, and after getting bounced, it is moving down, moving up to the resistance, move down to the support, resistance, support, and this time it has reached once again at the resistance. But if we switch to the, and by the way, this is a monthly time frame, not the weekly time frame, and if we switch to the daily time frame, then here we can see that after 10th of May, since after 10th of May, the price line is not able to break this level of $4.40. Here we had a fake out, we moved up, but we again re-entered under this resistance of $4.40, and here we have a key support at $2.65. And you can see that we have been testing this support here, we have tested this support here, and once again we have tested this support here. And after getting bounced from here, we had a nice pump, very big pump. And before this, you can see that this level of $4.40 had been working as a support here, as a support here, as a support here, and also as a support here and here as well. So therefore, it is our key resistance. So we need to break it out. Once we will have the closing above this resistance level of $4.40, then there will be a very high probability that soon we will also break out this resistance of the channel as well. And after that, we can expect a very, very big move. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.